Hi, students. Happy day. Warm welcome. So, you all know me? Yes, I'm your computer science teacher for grade 3. So, last video, we saw about lesson 2 understanding Windows. Now, in this video, today, I'm going to help you and teach you and guide you with the answers of the book back exercise of this lesson understanding Windows. Before I get into the lesson, shall we do a small recap, my dear lovely students? Yes. So, what is Windows? Windows is an operating system. What does it do? Yes, which controls and manages the functions of a computer. So it's an operating system. So whatever the action which takes place inside it, it controls and manages, right? Okay. So what is the label picture on the desktop, which is called as the small thing? Icons. Yes. Yes. So we have the long bar down. Do you remember what is that long bar? Yes, very good. Taskbar. Correct answer. So on the start taskbar, do you remember where is the start button located? Yes, very good. It is on the yes, left hand side. So on the left hand side of the start buttons, what does it do? It gives us a quick access to the open documents, Windows application, help, and etc. So whatever is there inside these computer system, in the start button, we can see everything. Exactly. Now, do you remember about the other one? Change of images. What is that called as? Yes, very good. Screensaver. What is it called as? Screensaver. So what we can do, it's an image which pops up on the screen whenever the computer reminds. Ideal. Very good. Okay, now let's get into the book back exercise, students. Now, first book back exercise we are going to see is about fill in the blanks. Okay, so I have the software with you. So now the hints are given here. Fill in the blanks, which is from the page number 14. So now here we have 5 fill in the blanks, and there is a hint for you. There are 5 options which is given here. Notification area, Windows 8, desktop, control, icons. Okay, so now we are going to fit this 5 options with and place it with the correct one. Shall we get into it? Very good. So we'll do like a quiz. Okay, so now first question, are you all ready? Yes. The dash is the first screen of Windows which appears when the computer is switched on. So what is that screen? What is the screen? Can anyone tell me? Yes. What is it? Desktop. What is it? This name? Desktop. So are you all ready for the answer? Whether is it correct or not? 1, 2, 3. Hey, that's right. Very good, students. Very good. Now let's go move on to the second one. So what is the second question? Dash are the label pictures on the screen. So what is that label pictures on the screen is known as? Yes, what is it? Icons. Very good. We will check our answer. Are you all ready? 1, 2, 3. Hey, good. Very good. Very good, students. Well done. So now here, Dash is the latest version of Windows. What is the latest version of Windows? Yes. So you have an answer is Windows 8, but the correct answer, what is the correct answer? Windows 10. Exactly. Very good. So now we go on to the fourth question. The right side of the taskbar is called taskbar. Yeah, the long bar on the right hand side. What is that area? Which area? Very good. What is it? Notification area. Let's type the answer. Are you all ready? Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot A. Are you all ready? 1, 2, 3. A. Very good. Notification area. Very good. You all remember things very nicely. Very good, students. Now, the fifth question. To select non-adjacent items, hold down the dash key and click on the desired item. Which key do you all remember? Which is remaining? Control key. Exactly. What key is it? Control key. Shall we check our answers? Are you all ready? Yes, that's right. Very good, students. Now I'm going to check you. How are you all going to do the true or false? We'll go to the next exercise. Okay. The next exercise, say true or false. This is from page number 14 and 15. Okay. A clock is present. I'm sorry, the first question. A clock is present on the left side of the taskbar. On the left side of the taskbar, the clock is present. True or false? False. Which side is the clock is present? Right side. Very good. So the answer is true or false? It is false. F-A-L-S-E. Let's check our answer. That's good. Very good. To select an icon, simply click on it. What we need to do, we need to simply click on it, right? It's correct only, na? Okay, I'm going to type 2. Are you all ready for the answer to be checked? Yes. Wow, good. That's lovely. Great students here all. The next one. Single clicking on the icon opens the window. If you just click one time, it will open. Is it true? No, right? F-A-L-S-E. Hey, exactly. So how many click we need to do? Double click, then only it will open. Okay. To change the desktop background, left click on the blank area. Which click is it? Do you remember the menu which I always said? Yes, it's a right click. So what will be the option here? True or false? It will be false. Yes, the statement is false. So I'm going to type F-A-L-S-E. Let's check the answer. Wow, good. That's good. The next one, pressing the right button on the mouse displays the shortcut menu. Just now we learned. In the fourth also it came, right? Told you the end. Yes, by pressing the right cut. I'm sorry, by pressing the right button. Very good. So shall we type the answer? 2. 1, 2, 3. Yay, very good. That's lovely. Now, I'm going to go to the next one. Isn't it interesting, right? So we'll go to the multiple choice. Here we go. Multiple choice answer. Now, first question. Which program manages all the jobs of a computer? Is it option A, operating system? Is it option B, desktop? Is it option C, screensaver? Which is the one which manages all the jobs of the computer? Yes, it's operating system. Shall we? Yes, your answer is correct. Well done, my dear lovely students. Second question. Taskbar is a long horizontal bar located at the dash of the desktop. So which is it? Is it right or bottom or top? No, taskbar is always, yes, at the bottom. Very good, my dear. So which option? Bottom. Yes, that's right. Next question, the last one. Third one. To arrange the icons on desktop, dash click on the blank area. We are reading this, right? We are saying this answer. Which one? Is it left or is it right or double? Which one is it? Exactly, right click. Well done, my lovely students. It's a right click. Now, shall we move on to the next one? Now we are going to see. What are we going to see the next one? Yes, answer the following. The first question. What do you mean by windows? What do you mean by windows? Shall we see the answer? Yes. Windows. What is Windows? It's an operating system. Exactly. Windows is an operating system. It is rectangular frame that shows different programs on the screen. Okay. So Windows is an operating system. It is a rectangular frame that shows different program on the screen. Okay, students? Yes. Shall we see the next question? The next question is, what is desktop? What is desktop? Yes, the first screen. Yes. So, answer for this question is the first screen that appears with label picture. So what we need to write? The first screen that appears with label pictures on it is called desktop. Okay, students, let's move on to the next question. Last question. So what is it? Ooh, it's describe a taskbar. So what is a taskbar? You all know the long bar down, right? Yes. So how do we have to write answer? Taskbar is a long horizontal. So it is a straight one, right? So we need to use the term horizontal bar. Located, where is it? Bottom of the desktop. So what does it have? It has the start button. Where? Yes, left side. And clock on the which side? Very good, on the right side. So this is the answer for this question. Yes? Okay, students. Hope you all must have understood and you all have answered very well. So thank you, students. See you on the another interesting video of another lesson. Thank you. You all have a great day.